Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Adnan City, and today I'm going to provide you a new promo code for IKEA.com. So stay tuned and please like this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. If you will subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon, then you will get notification when I upload a new video, then you will get your codes on time. So I highly recommend you to please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So before wasting any time, let's get started. But before starting this video, I want to tell you that in this YouTube channel I provide promo codes for so much other companies. So please visit my YouTube channel and watch my other videos and get promo codes for so much other companies. So before wasting any time, let's get started. So the code number one I'm going to provide you is, let's get started. The code number one I'm going to provide you is, this code will give you this code will give you $10 off on your order if you spend $100 or more. So the code number one is IKEA Voucher 1, and in the last 0. This is the code number one. Simply redeem this code and get your reward. So thanks for watching.